Quickly finding answers to guide design decisions is critical in speeding the process from design to profit. Let's look at a familiar product, a mountain bike. The crown for the front suspension must withstand a lot of abuse. How do we accurately transfer the load from the ground through the hub, sliders, and stanchion to the crown without simulating every component and every connection? SolidWorks simulation makes it easy to apply a remote load from the hub to the slider connection in the crown. This greatly simplifies the setup and provides full control to easily vary both the load magnitude and direction, a huge time saver that helps us get the answers we need fast. The first results show higher stress than anticipated, but there's very little displacement in the crown. Is there a problem with the design, or is the simulation inaccurate? Using stress hotspot diagnostics, we can quickly isolate the cause, finding stresses concentrations due to sharp model edges near fixtures and loads. Let's look closer at our remote load. Using a copy of our study setup, we'll change how the remote load is applied from a rigid to a distributed connection. This more realistically simulates how the load is transferred to the slider connection in the crown. The updated results show the stress is more evenly distributed throughout the model. Comparing the results from both studies, it's clear the distributed load is a more effective way to transfer the force the crown experiences, increasing our confidence it will work as designed. SolidWorks simulation gives every designer the tools to evaluate how their designs will perform in the real world, allowing them to make critical design decisions with confidence. Guide your next design with SolidWorks simulation and quickly achieve your goals.